Mr. R wanted us, Samuel Ray Taylor and Brandon Espejo, from his 4th period chemistry class, to learn and get a B in this chemistry class and learn the following concepts from the first 12 chapters of our chemistry book. We have a little presentation for you. Clap your hands, everybody, and everybody clap your hands. This is Brandon, and you can call me Sam. We got 12 chapters to explain, so let me break this down. Give a little beat to Mr. R, and you will hear the sound. We'll start right now in Chapter 1. Chemistry is a lot of fun. We just want this to sort of function, so we'll start in the back with the introduction. Brandon, break it down.
Chapter 1. Because living things and non-living things are made of matter, chemistry affects all aspects of life and most natural events.
Hey Brandon, what about Chapter 2?
Chapter 2, let me break it down for you. Matter and change is what I do. Spider silk, milk a goat. It sounds really weird, but it's what they wrote.
Chapter 3, give it to me, scientific measurement and chemistry. A coefficient is efficient. When you break it down and dish, it always comes in handy with multiplication. So to make it clear, let me give you a little demonstration of the situation. You have 200,000 million, a lot of zeros. But instead of writing them all out, all you have to do is put a little number by the other number.
Chapter 4 and 5, atomic structures and electrons and atoms. I learned that atoms are indivisible and indestructible.
Oh, snap! Alright, I'm gonna let the facts out. Chapter 6, chemists use the properties of elements to sort them into groups. Chapter 7, to find the number of valence electrons in an atom of a representative element, simply look at its group number. Chapter 8, molecule compounds tend to have relatively lower melting points than ionic compounds.
Chapter
Brandon.
9, when the metal in groups 1A, 2A, and 3A lose electrons, they form cations with positive charges equal to their group number. Chapter 10, chemical quantities often measure the amount of something by different methods, by count, by mass, and by volume.
Chapter 10, chemical qualities, you often measure the amount of something by one of the 100,000 methods by count. I can't read your handwriting. Alright, Chapter 11, to write a word equation, write all the names of the reactants to the left of the arrow separated by the plus signs. Write the names of the products to the right of the arrow, also separated by the plus signs. And Chapter 12, to finish this off, a balanced chemical equation provides the same kind of quantitative information that a recipe does.
Woo!